Here I have Motorola Moto G5S Plus, and today I'm going to show you how to enable Do Not Disturb mode on this device. So first of all, you have to go to the upper bar, and here you have Do Not Disturb button. You can, by tapping on it once, you can switch this mode. You can also access some of its settings by going to the More Settings, and here you can set priority on the allows. For example, for reminders, events, for messages from anyone, from contacts only, from the specific contacts. The same goes for calls. And there's also a feature repeat callers. If the same person calls a second time within a 15-minute period, allow it. You can also add some automatic rules. Rules are just basically the schedule when Do Not Disturb mode will turn on automatically and turn off automatically, and you can also block visual disturbance. You can block visual notifications here when Do Not Disturb mode is on. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.